Okay, good afternoon everyone. So at this time, we will talk about relation and function. So do not wonder about relation and function. Remember always that a function is a relation for which for every output, for every input there is only one output. Okay? So the input is referring to the value x or the domain, while the output is referring to the value y or for the range. Okay? So we have here determine which of the following is a relation or a function. Okay, we are given in number 1 the set of ordered pairs. Number 2, we have here diagram mapping, and for number 3 we have here the graph. Okay? So there are three things that we need to remember always, okay, for a function or not. Okay? First one-to-one correspondence or one-to-one is a function, meaning it talks about the correspondence. Okay? The second one, many to one, is a function, meaning referring still in correspondence. The third one to many, is not a function. Okay? So let us try to figure out in number 1. So for us to easily identify if the given function is if the given figure is one to one, many to one, or one to many, is we will have to create a diagram mapping. So let us have problem number 1. Okay? We have here the first box is for the x value or the domain, and the second box we have here for the y value or the range. Okay? So we have here x, this one is for 1. We have here x3, we have the first value of x, the second one is we have 2, and the third one is we have 1. Okay? Next, for the y value, okay, we have here y, 2, we have 2, and we have 2. So it has only one value. Okay? After that, we will have to draw a line for every number. Because we have 3 and 2. Okay? Next, we have 2 and 2, so we have 2 and 2. Next, we have 1 and 2, then we have 1 and 2. Okay? Therefore, this one is what we call as many to one. Ganong many man? Daghan siya diri, isa lang ilang lima. Okay? Isa lang iyang corresponding value. So this is what we call as many to one. And remember, many to one is a function. Therefore, this one is considered as a function. Okay, let us have now for number 2. Number 2, we will not do it this one anymore like this one because it is already expressed in diagram mapping. Okay? So look, let us try to figure out what type of correspondence is this. No? We have 5 in here as the first value. This is for x and this is for y. The x value, particularly pertaining in 5, it has two values, negative 2 and negative 4. Sa 5 na lang gani, makaingon ta nga 1 to many. Yan man, 1 to many. Isa lang siya duha iyang value. So that is 1 to many. And 1 to many is not a function. Therefore, it is in relation. So, relation ang tawag niya. Okay, remember, not all relation is a function, but all function are relation. Okay, let us have for number 3. In number 3, we are given the graph. So, how could we identify if this one is a function or a relation? Okay? The use of what? For number 3, we will have to use vertical line test. How does the vertical line test work in identifying the relation or a function? We will have to draw. Now we will have to draw a vertical line. Okay? In the graph. As we observe in the graph, if the vertical line will touch only one point in the graph, therefore, that one or the given graph or figure is a function. But if it will pass in the graph twice or more than one point, therefore, the given figure is a relation. So let us try to draw a vertical line. Like this one. Okay? It will only touch one. No? Isa lang siya nag-touch. Wala siya nakaduha, no? So therefore, makaingon ta nga this figure or graph is a function. Isang dili pa ka. Isa lang gihapon, isa ka point. Apo diri, isa lang gihapon ka point. Apo diri, isa lang ka point. Therefore, this one is considered to be as a function. Okay, function. Kanos alang sa mahimo og relation. Example, butahan natin number 4. Suppose we're given the graph. Okay, this one. Nasa circle diri nga drawing. Nag-draw siya diri circle. Okay? Because the graph, we could only identify if that is a function or relation through the use of vertical line test. Therefore, we will have to draw also a vertical line in here. So when we draw a vertical line, okay, the line will touches more than once, no? More than once at this given figure. So it will touch at the upper side and the lower side of this graph. Therefore, this one is not a function, or this is what we call as a relation. Okay, this one is a relation. It is not a function, but it is a relation. So I hope that this video will help you in answering your activity, maybe in your learning activity or in your assignment. So just focus on these 3 examples so that you would be able to arrive at the right answer for your activity.